Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna do a good find Friday. So I had a really interesting job come through. It was a lady who had to pick up everything and move to Las Vegas all of a sudden. So she had us come like right away. She called me in the morning and I came at like noon. But she had a lot of good stuff that people usually wouldn't be throwing away, but she's getting a better job in Las Vegas. I even heard her tell her kid, like, we're gonna buy you all new stuff. But I'm gonna go over some of the stuff we got from her. I didn't get a picture of it on the trailer, but it's in my house, it's on my back porch, and there's some already at the pond. I've already like went through and posted some stuff on eBay and everything like that. So I'll show you guys what I've posted and I'll show you guys everything. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, so the first thing we got was this love seat, and this thing is like in perfect condition. I'm pretty sure she probably just bought it new, maybe not that long ago, but no animals, nothing like that. It's just a really nice love seat. As you can see, it's in my living room right now, so I'm hoping to sell that. I got it listed on Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. Let me know what you guys think. How much I should sell that for. A pair of shoes, and it's literally brand new with the tag on it, $99. I posted these on eBay for about 65, I think, so hopefully we can sell those. The next thing are these horse book ends to try to hold in your books, so those are cool. I think I posted those for like 25, 30 bucks. The next thing we got is this sushi knife, so this is actually on there for like 45 bucks. See if that sells. This thing was brand new. It's like a remote control helicopter, and I got that posted for about $45 as well. The next thing was this Fast and Furious remote control thing as well, and that I think I got posted for like 30 bucks as well. The next thing was this toy. This is like a Joker toy. Got that on there for $20, and I've been selling these little figurines too, so each one of these are like 7, 5, 10 bucks, so those will be cool, easy to ship. Got all these old books here. They didn't really sell, but I posted them anyways. I didn't see any ones that had sold, but still 5, 10 bucks each on those. This little safe thing was like 20 bucks, and it doesn't actually have a combination. It just opens. You can see the back of it, so that was cool. Then we have this Iron Man thing here. This is like 15 bucks. These Roblox characters, believe it or not, were like 20 bucks for the pair. This little stuffed animal sells for like 12 bucks. I was surprised with that. And then we have the Mario hat and this shirt. I think we listed both of those for like 10 bucks. That was the first little lot I listed. I'm gonna show you the other stuff I listed, and then we're gonna go show all the stuff I didn't list as well. This is some other stuff I posted. So we got this little, I think, My Little Pony, or I don't know exactly what that is, but that sells for like 10 bucks. We got these little Star Wars bobblehead dudes. I think I sold a lot of those for like 10 bucks. I got them listed. We got these cars, got the Corvette and this Trans Am. I sold those for about 15 each is what I got them listed for. We also have these American Eagle boys pants. Listed both of those for about 15 bucks. Those are expensive in stores. Got the Jurassic Park hat. I think we got that listed for 9. These shoes we got listed for like 15. These Xbox controllers, I think I got listed for about 20 each. And we've been having pretty good luck with the PS2 and PS3 controllers, so I'll be interested to see if these sell as well. And then we got the charging stations for those, which list for about 10 to 15 each. Then we have this DVD player, Blu-ray. That sells for like 25. I think that's pretty much all the stuff I listed already on eBay from that Good Find Friday, but I'm gonna show you guys everything else we got, and then I got like a dresser and some mattresses and stuff at the property. We're gonna go over there and show you guys that as well. So here's all the stuff I listed. I got them in the boxes. I gotta take them over to the pond, and I'll have to show you guys my setup over there one day, because now I've got about 900 things listed on eBay, so it's really more keeping everything, you know. I had to put all the stuffed animals together, put all the controllers together, stuff like that, the books, so then it's easier for me to pull these when we do sell stuff. Another thing we got was this little room divider thing. I got that listed on Facebook Marketplace for about 50 bucks. All right, guys, now we are to the mess I call my back porch. This is kind of where I went through and organized everything. So the first thing we got is this little singing machine. It's a Bluetooth, I think, karaoke machine, but it doesn't have the microphone, so I don't know if I can sell that. Let me know what you guys think. Should I post it without the microphone? These were a bunch of clothes that I didn't know if I could sell, but I was gonna donate these actually to my neighbor down the street, and all these little pre-K books. He's got a 5-year-old, but I think he's got some little cousins and stuff that could wear these clothes. Like I said, they're nice clothes. Nobody would usually get rid of them, but just this lady's circumstance, we happen to get those. Then we have like these containers. My wife's already taken all the good containers that we want to keep and put them inside. We don't always keep containers, but like I said, this was a really nice house and this lady took care of her stuff, but I might end up donating these ones. These ones might be something we don't want. Got a little pitcher back there. Don't really have anywhere to put that, but might try to sell that down the road. Up here we got these pans that are like in their original wrapping, so those are cool. And you know, you got your metal bowls and stuff, but just some little kids toys up there. These might be some of the ones my wife was gonna maybe keep. These ones are nice like that. And then over here we got this little box of stuff. I didn't think I could sell these little kids toys. And then this is all stuff I didn't think I could sell, but it wasn't bad enough to throw away, so we're gonna actually take this to Goodwill and donate that. Then this stuff my wife was kind of going through. We have a little refrigerator and stove at the pond, so I think this goes to that, and I'm going to show you guys that when I get over there. But this is just, you know, she's just looking at the different colognes and stuff, so we got to kind of go through that. Now I took all the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars, whatever these are, put them all in this bin, and there was quite a bit of them, so I'm actually selling the lot of these wheels, these Hot Wheels, for 20 bucks on Marketplace, and I have somebody coming to pick those up, so that'll be awesome. And then the same thing with the Legos. We got like almost a whole container of Legos. I posted these for 100 bucks on Marketplace, but no responses on that yet. And then I got these Beyblades, which I don't even know how these things work, if these are just parts or what these are, but we got this bin, and then I got 3 arenas here. I got these listed for 20 bucks online. So hopefully somebody buys those, and I got somebody coming for those. We just got to see. This is like the rest of the action figures I put in this little bin, and I posted that for like 5 bucks. Then over here we got this chair. Not sure if I'm going to save this. It's not really in good condition, but it was kind of a nice chair, cool chair, so we'll see about that. Then I got this lot of dinosaurs. I got this for 20 bucks, and somebody just messaged me about that. They're going to come pick up that. And then this was just the trash we had from this, which is toys that are broken and whatever. So all right, so that's everything from my house, and I got to move all this stuff out today and try to sell it, but I'll show you guys all the furniture and stuff at the pond next. All right guys, before we go to the pond, I'm up here where I post all my stuff. We actually got this little TV from that job as well. Probably gonna try to sell that for like 30 to 50 bucks on Marketplace. Got the remote, I tested it, it works. This is some stuff that I'm actually getting ready to ship out today, so that's cool. I got these from garage sales. Check out our garage sale videos if you haven't seen them. And also, anytime you can look at any of this, click our link in the description and you can go to our eBay store. But this is the rest of the stuff that I haven't listed yet. This car, some of these clothes, there's like workout belts or something in here, and this little stuffed animal, just a few other books and a few other stuffed animals. And then over here, it's another set of these boots, which the other ones were 100 bucks, so I might try to list these for 60 bucks as well. I think they're the exact same kind, just in black. And then we got this pair of pants, but it's actually got its tags on it still, so it was from Belk for $40. So now we're heading over to the pond to see all that stuff. But like I said, don't forget to look at all of our stuff we have on our eBay store if you want to. Let's go to the pond. All right guys, I got to the pond, so now I'm gonna show you my mess that I have over here. Mini stove and this mini fridge. Look how cute those things are. So I don't know if I'm gonna resell those or save them. We're gonna have a baby. That fridge is upside down. Coming here soon, so maybe I'll save them, but I don't know about that. Then in here, got a bunch of toys too I thought I could sell. Not sure. Got this computer chair that was in good condition. So yeah, these are just a bunch of kids toys, and here's a bunch more. And then down here, we got obviously more action figures I think I can sell, but they're all these racing cars, remote control cars, which are pretty cool, like this. And I'll pull this big one out. So I got to see if we got any of the remotes or anything for those. I got a couple remotes at home I kept, so in case they do work. So now over here we have all these mattresses. Okay, these are actually like a memory foam mattress. So we have a bunch of twin size, and we have one like full size here, and I have a whole bed frame too. It's hard to see, but here's a bed frame, and this is part of the bed frame over here. Then we have this little booster seat, this little thing here, and then over here we have another bed. And unfortunately I have stuff everywhere, guys, so bear with me, but there's a whole dresser behind there, which is real nice. A brand new Christmas tree in that box. And then this is a really nice piece too, this dresser. I got this listed for like 300-400 bucks, including the twin size bed and frame. Then like I said, we got this whole bed frame, those drawers that go under the bed frame, and that dresser all as a set. And we got two more of these memory foam twin size mattresses. So I'm pretty sure these are like brand new. I might be able to sell those as well. And then over here I got a mirror that goes with that stuff. And then last but not least, these action figures, this Godzilla or King Kong. We got Godzilla, and we got a couple other guys. I think this dude, Black Panther, a little bulldozer type toy, and another guy. So I think that was pretty much everything from that good find. So yeah, there was a ton of stuff. I'm going through it, but I already had listed a lot of it on eBay and everything like that. So it's a little bit longer of a good find Friday, but we have a lot of stuff. And I'm probably gonna try to sell those mattresses, 50 to 100. Might sell that other dresser and bed for, I don't know, $200, $300, but I have to like put it together and list it on Marketplace. So I actually had another bed frame I didn't show you guys. I sold that already for $175. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, check out our eBay page, and we'll see you guys next time.